I think you're very unlikely to feel that imposter syndrome if you can walk into the job knowing you've done the work, knowing you've had the discipline, feeling like you've been a data scientist with the work that you've carried out. So not only can you really use these skills to leverage yourself into a career, I think you'll also feel better about it once you are in that position, because you're going to have so much more experience behind you. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Again, I'm just sharing my experience and my reality of how I did it, and I hope that's helpful to you. The bottom line is don't wait. Don't wait for somebody to just appoint you a data scientist. If you want to be a data scientist, go out there and do it. There's nothing stopping you from doing it. If you're interested in data science and you've developed some skills, then that means you're a pretty smart person, so you can probably go ahead and carry out your own experiments. Go out there and do it, and put yourself in a much better position to land your next data scientist job by actually doing the work.